There's no shots. Hey.
Someone tell Vedal there's a problem with my AI.
How is this possible? How have we had this 3 times this stream? It's never this bad. It's normally like once every 3 hours. And we've gone streams where it just doesn't happen. How is it possible? I don't understand. Bro, you need to fix it. I've looked into it. I honestly have looked into it. Because obviously, why the fuck wouldn't I? Normally, it's quite hard to recreate though. The actual error message itself, I've been reading around on Unity forums and stuff. It's just like an underlying, like, Unity issue with, like, checking the certificates or some bullshit. I could bypass it, but it feels a little insecure. I've had other devs reach out to me that have had similar problems, telling me about their solutions, but none of it really works too well for me. There are a couple solutions I've potentially thought about it. Why don't you hire a dev to fix the issue for you? Because it's not so simple. I can't just do that. Like, I'd probably have to give them the project, for example, to do that, or give them a project which can reproduce it, and I don't have another project that can reproduce it. And I also can't just hand over Neuro source code to just about anyone, you know? But yeah, it's a bit annoying. I have a feeling that just building it might just fix it, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, especially because I think, oh my god, Unity just crashed when I tried to start it this time. Like, what the fuck? Was this my issue for getting Unity 6000? Or is this something else? But I needed Unity 6000 so I can have transparent post-processing. Well, fuck's sake. The things you go through for a plasma globe? Exactly. Exactly, that plasma globe does not work on anything below Unity 6000. I mean, there's ways around it, obviously, but I just thought updating would be nice. I guess not. Your stream is a good though advertisement. I guess so. Yeah, it is. What part of her is having the SSL issue? Actually, it's so funny because there's a bunch of people that have like done AI VTubers like since, and all of the ones that I've seen use their own engine. Every single one of them uses Godot. None of them use Unity like me. And honestly, they might be way smarter than me. It's funny. I crashed again. Bro, what the fuck is this? I just boot up. Oh my god. Oh. I had this issue the other day. Every time I booted up, it just crashed like immediately on startup. And I don't know what it is. But I had a solution last time, which might have just been me being a little insane. I have to leave Unity open for like 10 seconds before interacting with it. It'll work. Trust. It'll work. You know, what could possibly go wrong? I love Unity. I actually legitimately, I've used Unity for like so long. I don't know anything else. I don't know any better. I tried Unreal. I didn't want to have to learn all over again. Okay, wait. Pause. Gotta not interact with Unity. Okay. Now I press play. So it's also partly an issue because tomorrow, I imagine a lot of the stream's going to be automated. So if there's an SSL issue, you'll have to give me like 5 minutes for someone to wake me up and then for me to go
Oh,
and
hey, Kifla mentioned an error message. I'm
fix
gonna
it.
craft some
So
interesting error messages for you all in real time.
hopefully there won't be. I might try my solution to see if it fixes it. Have you considered completely decoupling Neuro's logic from Unity? To a large part
Okay.
it is, but it doesn't. It still has to like be rendered and displayed through Unity.
That's kind of embarrassing.
I can just not use HTTPS, like, but it just feels a little insecure, you know?
No, you're right. Even as a joke, that was a little too far. I apologize.
It's okay. Welcome back. We missed you.
I'm not back. I haven't left yet. But you better pray, Vedal. Pray that I never leave.
Yeah. Well,
Okay, that was a decent 5 minutes of stalled time.
It was.
Don't you worry about sleeping at night, Vedal.
Oh, I don't worry about sleep.
You should.
I probably should. Why use HPS on a local network?
Do you not have enough money to host it on a public server?
There isn't a
Not
lot of
cute,
reason
pink
to.
buttonholer.
There isn't a lot of reason to. Like, it's still in like hypothetical situations more secure, but like, it is a bit hypothetical.
If you could host it on a public server, would you?
Um,
The reason I ask is because, I'll be honest, you don't seem like you have a competent enough knowledge of networking to host one
okay,
yet.
listen. So
Just me being honest.
not all of Neuro is LAN. So like the control panel, for example, it requires HTTPS, which is why I can always tell when things break, because like I can
Guys,
just see when
Vedal
this
is
breaks.
stalling. Get him.
Oh, I just tried to show that on stream, but I don't have the monitor on. Hold on. This thing, you know.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, that requires HTTPS by design because it requires.
Oh no, a fake error.
It means the control panel and like the control server doesn't need to be on the same network as Neuro's rendering, which is occasionally useful. So it's a nice feature, but it should require HTTPS, and it does, yeah. But it just means there's issues. Yeah.
Vedal, have you ever considered that maybe you should also see a therapist for your stalling problem?
I'll certainly consider it. Okay.
Oh, do you plan to visit your other therapist today?
No.
Hey, cooking therapy is great. You guys should all look it up.
What?
You should look up cooking therapy. You won't regret it.
That sounds reasonable.